In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Plus500 account. So to delete it, you first must close all open positions and orders. So go over here and go over here and close all the positions and close all orders. Now, if you are on a live account, a real money account, you want to also withdraw all funds, okay? So whenever you've done all of that, so closed all the positions on both your real and demo account and withdrawn all the money, all the funds on your real account, what you want to do is basically request deletion via the customer support contact form. So go to the bottom left and click on live support, and you could go and click on live support over here, but likely if you tell them that you would like to delete your account, they will tell you have to contact them via the contact form. They may also, of course, say they can do that for you as well, so it's worth a shot, but usually you will have to use the contact form over here. So just click on over here, and then you'll basically have to put in your full name, your email address, and then the subject. So subject can be something like maybe account closure request or account deletion or something like that, and the type of query is going to be, you could do account details or something like other. Okay, now whenever you do that, you want to describe it. So let's say, for example, I want to delete my Plus500 account. I have closed all the positions and orders, and I don't have any more funds on my account because I've withdrawn all of this. Can you please delete my account and all of my data? Something along those lines. When you type that in, you can also upload any screenshots, maybe like to your account, to kind of give them proof you've done that, or you don't even have to do this because they have access. You then have to confirm here, click on send query, and they'll get back to you. Now, if they don't get back to you, you can also go to live support and talk to them and tell them that you would like to delete your account, that you actually contacted them via the form, but nobody came back, and they look into the issue for you. They respond very quickly. So that's how you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.